My name is Jeffy.
My name is Jeff. And this is cheerleading squad. Okay, no faces. No faces showing.
Only me. Yeah, because you were seeing me my real face.
Hello. We are at school.
And my phone died.
I'm recording. Not recording you guys.
Ninja! Look at it.
Oh my god, yeah. Okay, we're not doing it on camera because they don't want it to show us
Hey,
faces.
let's go find it. Hey, put your camera up.
I'm gonna call this the Avarture of nature. No, it's gonna be.
Put it down because you always have to put your tablet down.
Hi, my name is
A
Nature.
nature of charging phones.
No,
Oh.
that's not how you charge phones.
I want to put out try to make my own videos.
That's your face, right there. I'm
Finally
doing
put
on this.
Your videos in my face.
I'm doing it on you.
Look good.
I'm doing it on your teeth.
Hey, wait. That's Roberta's mom.
Okay, that's
You know
Roberta.
who's gay?
Mom. Okay. What?
Ben.
What the heck? Okay.
Okay.
Actually, Ben cried today.
Why?
Because somebody made fun of him that he lived in a hotel. Guys, nothing. We did not hear. Just say anything. Okay, this is an adventure. Yay!
Wait, Ben's in YouTube, right?
Yes.
Let's go to him.
Hey guys, we're recording, but we're not gonna record you.
Come on, let's go to Ben.
Okay. Okay, guys. No, I'm not going to bring my backpack.
Okay, go. Put your tablet up, Amy.
Hi.
Oh,
you're
hey.
right here. Hi, Sebastian. You're on camera.
He's gay. I call him gay and nerd. He is actually a nerd.
Yeah, I'm gonna get close up on him. Yeah, he's that.
Amy is right there, but he's up there playing the phone. His phone. I think
I'm gonna surprise him. I'm gonna surprise.
Julio's gay. But
I'm gonna surprise him by recording him. Record. I'm recording. That was funny.
Now you're gonna do
Okay, bye guys.
No!
Yes.
Part two. See you guys.